Shalom and welcome. Need a bit of extra help in the kitchen? Well, no worries, I've got your back. Join me. I'm Chef Shauna of Love in the Pot, and I'd like to begin hosting virtual cooking lessons. Not only will you be able to cook alongside me, but you'll also have me there as a guide to answer any questions that may pop up as you're working. Don't worry, with a bit of help and an open mind, you can learn how to create delicious, diverse dishes right in your kitchen. If it's made from scratch, you have the power to control so many things. You're able to customize dishes to your family's needs and extract those things that you don't want there. It is a superpower to be able to create things with your hands and have control over what your family is consuming. So, our first line of classes are right around the corner. I'd like to help you purge a bit of leavening out of the house. We'll be making beef and beer cheddar soup, which is a featured recipe in my cookbook. So not only will you be getting the cooking experience and the guidance of cooking alongside me, you'll be getting that recipe included in the bundle. You'll also get the class agenda, tips for success while cooking alongside me, should you choose to, as well as a list of comparable substitutions for those vegans and vegetarians out there. So no worries, if you want to exclude the beer, you certainly can do so. When making things from scratch, you have the power to make it your own. So I welcome you to join me. Register today and let's get ready to roll up our sleeves. Have a bit of fun as we put love in the pot. Shalom.